alligator eat the fish. The alligator eat the fish.
How big the alligator is? Can you read it?
Small crocodiles at 23 feet. Crocodiles has 23 feet, 7 meters.
What else? Read it.
But very slim. Its legs are small, but it's wide, with feet so that it swims very well.
Very well.
Yeah.
And how about the parts of the alligator? What are those parts?
Gum.
Gums. That's their gums. What else?
Find this. Jawbone. Mommy, look.
Let me see.
And each tooth is shaped like a tall cone with a blunt tip. This.
How
New
about this
tooth
one?
pushing older tooth out.